This here is the 2026 OTTOCAST Mini Cube 3.0, and it is a wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto adapter, and look at the size of it. It is insane. It is super tiny, super compact. This is a really cool device, and it works super easy, super seamless with 3 simple steps. Yep, stay tuned, we're going to check it out. So here is the box for the OTTOCAST Mini Cube 3.0. Here is a nice small little compact box. Got a few little features on the side over here. Exquisite, faster, stable, and CarPlay and Android Auto. Nice. OTTOCAST logo there. A little window to show the actual product as well, which is nice. 2 different types. So you got USB-A or USB Type-C. But if you choose USB-A anyway, the nice thing is it comes with an adapter anyway, so it doesn't really matter too much. And a few information on the back and on the sides again as well. Let's open it up and see what we get inside. So it's really nice, simple packaging. Don't really need too much with it. You get a little card to help as well, which is really nice. How to contact them, which is really good as well. Little QR code that you can scan to see a YouTube channel and see any videos that you need help. So OTTOCAST offer good after sales service as well, which is great to see. Here we get a user manual as well. If it's the first time trying to use one of these and having to set it up, I definitely recommend using and reading this manual. But it's actually very easy. It's literally 3 simple steps. As soon as you plug it in, you literally just got to connect your phone with Bluetooth Wi-Fi and it's all ready to go. And we'll show the setup anyway. Here is the actual product itself, looking really nice. Got like this gloss finish on top. Looks super sleek and premium. Got like this metal aluminium feeling all around the side with like engravings all the way around to get like a grip. So it's like really nice design. We've got a peel over here. Let's go ahead and do it. Oh, that was a satisfying peel. Here we have a USB Type A. As you can see, it is a nice, good quality USB, and it does look a bit secured. On the back of here, we've got some ID information, the model number, CPA8, some information like that. But build quality wise, this looks really nice, and it's actually really small and compact. Like, look at that, it's literally the size of my fingertip, which is insane. Really cool. But if you do ever, or if you change cars and you do need a USB Type-C version, God, that's really in there. You can pull that out here, this can just go away. You do come with a nice adapter as well, and it's a USB 3.0 adapter, which is nice to see. And you literally just slide in on top, and you've now got an adapter, so you can use it on USB Type-C cars as well. As in the future, more cars start to become USB Type-C. But this is it, this is the product. Let's go ahead and let's plug it into my car and let's connect it up and see how good it is. Nice, so here I'm with my DS3 Crossback, which supports wired Apple CarPlay, and hopefully we're going to make it wireless, so let's see, and let's get inside the car and see how it looks. So here I am, I'm in the car, this is the screen on the car. Normally I have a USB port here with a bunch of wires hanging out. As you can see, I can now just plug this in and replace that wire. It looks so much more sleeker, you can barely see and notice it. Let's go ahead and let's go on Bluetooth on my phone and connect it up because it is flashing blue. Awesome, so I'm on my phone right now. As you can see here on Bluetooth, it comes up straight away. So just go ahead and click on that. Go ahead and press pair. Allow it to sync all my contacts, and there we go, it will start pairing with the device. Let it do its thing. After about a few seconds, once it's paired, it should all start working. And then literally within a few seconds, you have now got CarPlay on your screen, wireless. Look at that, just that little dongle plugged in, no wires hanging anywhere, nothing like that. You can now wirelessly connect to CarPlay. You don't need no cables, you don't need to constantly connect again and again. It will now auto connect every time you get in the car, every time you leave the car, it will turn off and reconnect all on its own. Super easy and super convenient. You can now download all these apps like WhatsApp, Spotify, if you've got a smart home, smart life, Grok, Google Maps, and I can use all of these features now all wirelessly due to this amazing little piece of dongle. It's so discreet, doesn't get in the way, it is really nice and easy, and it is super smart, fast and smooth. I mean, depending on how good your actual vehicle system is as well, on top of that, it's very responsive, very reactive, and it works really well and connects seamlessly. Same with Android Auto as well, the same features, connects super easy. All you got to do is literally plug it in, go on Bluetooth, connect to the device, and easy as that, you're up and running and you're ready to use CarPlay. Really nice device, guys. If you are interested in purchasing this, link to buy will be down below in the description. If I do have any discount codes as well, I'll put them down below in the description as well. And as always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'm going to have to give this a 10 out of 10. It does exactly what it's meant to do straight out of the box. You plug it in, you connect with Bluetooth, and it just works. And it's super quick and super seamless. Really, really good. As always, guys, thanks for watching.